In this video, we're going to work on another sequencing problem. So if we have a problem like this that says type the missing number in this sequence, and we have a list of numbers and a blank one. So we need to figure out what we're going to put there and how to do it. So step one, and make sure to listen to all the steps. Try to find the pattern. Notice that each number is 4 times the previous number. So we go from 1 to 4, you multiply by 4. We don't know what you do for here, and we don't know what you do for here, right? Because we have a blank here, and somehow we're going to get 64. So let's focus on the numbers that we know. So to get from 64 to 256, you multiply by 4. Then to get from 256 to 1024, that's also multiplied by 4. You could just check that in a calculator, okay? It's okay to use a calculator. So step 2, now we know what the pattern is. Now we just have to take this number 4 and multiply it by 4, okay? Because the pattern is 4 times the previous number. So step 3, complete the pattern by putting 16 in the blank space because 4 times 4 is 16. So that's the answer, and now we can complete the rule for the entire sequence, right? Times 4 times 4 times 4. We know 4 times 4 is 16, 16 times 4 is 64. So we know we have the right number in the sequence now. And I have a whole bunch of other videos like this that you could look at. I have the links in the description. You could also follow along in the ebook. You can download that. And don't feel discouraged because anyone can do math.